qualities of Shell Cordovan make it one of the most fascinating leathers within the shoes enthusiast's world. They improve with wear and age beautifully due to excess oils that migrate to the surface of the shell, which can deepen, redden, or even darken with time. A pair crafted in Shell Cordovan will withstand the test of time, especially if you make a habit of following the routine we propose today. At Carmina, we accept no compromise on the finished product, and selecting only premium quality leathers is paramount. Consequently, the only supplier we trust for our genuine Cordovan shells is the Genuine Leather Company, based in Chicago and run by the Genuine family since 1905. For the purpose of this demonstration, we have chosen these handsome Norwegian-style derbies in Cordovan leather. Let's start off by removing the shoelaces and inserting the shoe trees. These will help maintain the shape of the shoe and offer the appropriate surface for the deer bone to be used on, which will be useful to smoothen out any imperfections. With the help of Carmina's large polishing brush, remove any dust or dirt from the surface. The heat generated by the brushing movements will contribute to activating the existing oils in the shell, revealing its authentic shine. It is fairly known to Genuine Shell Cordovan aficionados that with wear, the leather rolls rather than creating wrinkles. Impregnated in natural oils, the deer bone makes an excellent accessory to have at hand, as it will contribute to soften those rolls without damaging the surface. Bear in mind that the bone must be always kept in a sealed bag in order to preserve its oils and prevent it from drying. Replace the bone if it dries. Simply take the deer bone and, using the smooth edge, guide the bone through the creasing with firm movements, applying pressure while slowly rotating it. This step requires patience, so don't rush, as the result will be well worth it. A slightly white residue might form, and it is completely normal. Simply buff it out using the brush. It's time to shine. Use a chamois or polishing cotton cloth to apply the Cordovan cream in small circular movements to enhance the depth of the color and conceal any small scratches. After a firm and uniform coat has been applied over the whole leather surface, allow the shoes to dry completely. This should take around 5 minutes. Now brush the shoes again to reveal that authentic Cordovan shine. For more precision and an even finish, use Carmina's medium polishing brush. If you wish for additional shine in the toe and heel area, simply apply a Cordovan shoe polish. It will not go unnoticed. To maintain the shoes in good shape, try to keep this routine up once a week or fortnightly, depending on the amount of use they are given, to preserve the moisture level and its softness. Insert the shoe trees when you don't use the shoe. This will help keep their shape and prevent rolls from forming. It will also absorb moisture, preventing the shoe from cracking and breaking inside. Use specific care products for Cordovan leather. Creams intended for other types of leathers may contain solvents that facilitate penetration into the pores and achieve deep hydration. Using products that aren't exactly formulated for Cordovan leather can damage the integrity of the shoes, since they will affect the compact characteristic of the leather. Work in thin layers. It's better to apply 2 thin layers of cream rather than 1 thick one, as the shoe would take too long to dry and might end up with an irregular finish. Allow each product to dry completely. This ensures that the cream will soften and moisturize the leather so the shoe polish can offer its best result. Store your deer bone in an airtight bag. This will help the bone preserve its natural oils longer. Remember that once the bone is dry, it's time to renew it, as using it could damage the leather instead of smoothing it. Be sure to follow a regular shoe care routine. It will help keep the pair in good shape and prevent any damage or minor scuffs from becoming permanent. Avoid overshining. Shoe shine should be performed once a month, as over-polishing the shoes could make them more susceptible to scratches or dust accumulation.